So what we want to do in here is we want to have a link or a button saying, hey, do you want to sign in? And this is what we want to do here. So we have a stack, this stack closed here, and under the stack I want yet another stack. It's not okay. Spacing. I tried to tap, but it didn't work for some reason. And inside the stack we want a button. Want the color scheme of orange. Passing in the size, which will be large. Font size of the button will be MD. Is loading, so we will have a loader in a sec. And the type will be submit. So the Formic knows, okay, when we hit this button, we can start logging the person in. So we save that, get rid of that. So save that. Let's have a look at the screen. Now it will break, hey? So let's go ahead and create this loading and let's set up everything we want to bring in here. So let's go under these. Yeah, we bring this in here. And we start with navigate. So we bring in navigate. So we preparing ourselves later on when the user logs in, we want him to navigate to either the products or to the page the user came from. So we also need the location. And we can say use location. Then we bring in Redux, saying use dispatch. And what we will do here is we can say where we want to redirect the user later on. Redirect to products. And we want const toast. So we will have a notification when the users log in. We will have a toaster saying login successful. So I believe the application will break if we spin it up, but what we need to do first is we need to bring this in anyway to our app.js. So let's do this now. And then we can spin up and we can see how it complains and what it needs. So we have the route here in app.js. We're adding another route, path, and we say login. We have an element of login screen. Yep, it brings it in automatically. Awesome. Saves us typing. And we need to close that up here as well. Okay, so we have done that. And let's see in the navbar on our sign in on the button. So sign in as login. Okay, so we have done this earlier, that's fine. So we go to npm run app. And there's a 99% chance that this breaks and this is all good. I just want to see what we are missing. So it would be more obvious. Let me close the very old one we have opened hours ago. It might be that it spins up. Oh no, it's broken. Okay. Export button was not found. Some password text field I did obviously something wrong. So let me have a look. Password text field. And it complained about a button. Oh no, hang on. We have the button here. What is it complaining? Oh, the button doesn't come. Oh, what have I done here? We want React, of course. So save that. So now it just complains about the login error on loading. Okay, so that's all good. That means the only thing we need for the next step would be Redux. So we make a cut here. We set up our Redux store for the user, and then we bring this in, and then it should actually work and do the job. So I'll see you in the next video.